In the long gone days of Windows 8, Microsoft started transitioning from the old control panel to the new Windows settings. This transition continued through the lifespan of Windows 10, where both the new settings and the old control panel coexisted, and the journey still continues in Windows 11. However, in Windows 11, it's becoming more and more difficult to access the old control panel settings, even though they are still there. Well, to be fair, the new settings interface is probably less obscure and more user-friendly. However, I find it very difficult to navigate since you need to click and click and click and click, opening various pages to get to the setting you need. So for me, even though it's more intuitive, it takes much more time to do the same thing. And one option in particular in Windows 11 that drives me mad, well, basically the entire Windows 11 interface drives me mad, but one thing in particular is the inability to go to the old style sound device selection from the speaker icon in your tray. Well, if you open sound settings and scroll down, there is an option, more sound settings, which will open the old style interface. Well, for many who only use one audio device and don't have to switch between different audio devices, this is okay. You don't even use this setting. The only setting you need is the volume control. However, I have multiple audio devices and I need to switch between them depending on what I am doing. And since I need to switch audio devices multiple times during a single Windows session, jumping through the hoops to reach this particular menu drives me mad. Turns out you can speed up this process. Actually, you can open this window directly by running a special CPL. CP is not what you think, it's actually control panel. So if you press WinR to open the run command and enter mmsys.cpl, MM is multimedia, I suppose, and run this task, this will open the needed interface. To speed this even more, you can actually make a new shortcut on your desktop, which will do exactly the same. It will launch mmsys.cpl. And of course, you can add a custom icon, an audio-related one. And to make things even faster, you can add a keyboard shortcut to that shortcut. They have to start with Ctrl-Alt, so they won't interfere with normal shortcuts like Ctrl-S, for example. I personally use Ctrl-Alt-S, S for sound, and every time I press this combination, this will open this interface. So this is how you access the old style sound control settings in Windows 11. That is, until they completely remove the old style control panel, which they have been trying to do for over 13 years now. And it's still there. Because it's good, and optimal, and intuitive, and faster than the new interface. It's good.
I am the god of YouTube. Like, subscribe, jingle bells.